Experiencing touch problems on your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Some users have reported unresponsive screens, lag, and ghost touches. Apple has acknowledged these issues and released iOS 18.11 to address them. This update primarily targets calibration bugs related to the new haptic feedback system and tandem OLED displays. User feedback suggests it resolves 70 to 80% of reported cases. If you're facing these problems, your first step should be to update to iOS 18.1.1. Also, a limited hardware recall was issued for units with faulty touch controllers from a specific supplier batch. Check if your device is eligible for a free replacement at an Apple store. If updating doesn't fully resolve the issue, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, force restart your iPhone by holding volume up and the side button. Next, clean the screen with a microfiber cloth and avoid using liquids. Also consider that extreme temperatures or resource-intensive apps can cause lag. For advanced diagnostics, you can use Apple's built-in diagnostic mode by dialing 3001 12345 on the phone app. Looking ahead, Apple is exploring AI-assisted calibration for future iOS versions to proactively adjust sensitivity. By 2026, self-healing display coatings are also expected in iPhone 18 models. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Apple support for assistance. Remember to keep your iPhone updated and handle it with care to minimize potential touch issues.